Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by altering your immediate environment. Clear visible clutter now and set a 10-20-minute timer so you commit. Once done, open a window 1/4 to invite fresh air and natural light. This physically changes signals your brain reads. Make sure you choose a single grounding object, a stone, a plant, or a photo, and place it where you'll see it first. This quick trio creates an intentional context for what follows and primes you to shift energy deliberately. You now work inward to alter how the space feels. Begin a 4-4-8 breathing cycle for 2 to 3 minutes to down-regulate stress and anchor attention. This calms your nervous system and makes perception clearer. Then name 3 emotions you notice and choose one intention to carry forward, because labeling reduces reactivity and intention directs energy. Make sure to change posture by standing tall for 30 to 60 seconds. Posture shifts hormones and signals confidence. You finish by making the new energy active and repeatable. Play 2 to 3 minutes of chosen music or strike a bell to reset the room's tone. Sound creates immediate cohesion. Once you've set the tone, invite one simple action, smile, speak a warm sentence, or offer a small helpful task, because movement anchors new patterns. If the shift stalls, shorten everything into 30 to 60-second mini resets and repeat. This troubleshooting trick reduces friction and lets momentum rebuild quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.